Are you tired of hearing that you need to be a millionaire or look like a model to make a lasting impression on a woman? The reality is far simpler. Staying on her mind long-term is about genuine connection and smart strategies. In this video, I'll give you those strategies to ensure she can't stop thinking about you. Watch till the end, because these insights will transform how you connect with women forever. Women are naturally intrigued by mystery. I mean, who isn't? Instead of laying all your cards on the table, take a peek at hers first. Share interesting snippets about your life without revealing everything. This leaves her wanting to know more about you, while you gain more knowledge about her. To master this, avoid oversharing. Let conversations flow naturally, but hold back on revealing too much too soon. This doesn't mean being secretive or distant, it means creating a sense of anticipation. When she's left wondering about your next move, or the story behind your intriguing comments, she'll think about you long after your conversation ends. For example, if you mention a hobby like painting, you could say, "I've been working on a piece that's really challenging, but it's been a great experience." This leaves her curious about your artwork and eager to see it without you having to describe it in detail. Another way to maintain an air of mystery is to drop subtle hints about your experiences. If you've traveled extensively, you might say, "I've seen some fascinating places in my travels," each with its own story. This leaves her curious about where you've been and the stories behind those places. The key is to balance being open and being mysterious. Talk about your passions and interests, but always leave some room for curiosity. Body language speaks volumes, sometimes even louder than words. Have you ever seen someone say, "I'm fine," but their slumped shoulders scream, "Help me"? Your body language can create a connection beyond words. Maintain open and inviting gestures, lean slightly forward, maintain eye contact, and mirror her movements subtly. Understanding body language helps you read her subtle cues. If she's playing with her hair, leaning in, or maintaining prolonged eye contact, these are signs she's interested. Likewise, using positive body language yourself can enhance her attraction to you. Stand tall, use gestures to emphasize your points, and smile genuinely because girls can tell. Another powerful body language tip is the use of touch. Subtle, appropriate touches can create a strong connection. A light touch on her arm when making a point or a gentle pat on the back can make her feel closer to you. But remember, always be respectful and gauge her comfort level. If she responds positively, it's a good sign. Your posture is so crucial. A guy with good posture truly stands out, no pun intended. Avoid slouching and crossing your arms, as it can seem defensive. Instead, keep your posture open and relaxed to appear approachable and confident. Instead of mundane small talk, ask intriguing questions like, "What's your biggest passion in life?" Or, "If you could travel anywhere, where would you go and why?" By asking thought-provoking questions, you show genuine interest in her thoughts and dreams. These questions open up deeper conversations, making her feel valued and understood. She'll appreciate that you're not just interested in superficial details, but genuinely care about her as a person. Engaging her intellectually creates a mental connection that goes beyond physical attraction. She'll remember your conversations and think about the stimulating discussions you shared. Try to delve into topics that excite her, be it her career aspirations, her hobbies, or her opinions on important matters. Empathy builds deep connections. When she talks about her day, listen intently. Nod, offer supportive comments, and truly understand her perspective. When she's feeling down, be there to provide comfort and understanding. Empathy means putting yourself in her shoes and seeing things from her perspective. It's about showing that you care about her feelings and experiences. When you demonstrate genuine empathy, she'll feel safe and valued around you. Remember, empathy isn't just about listening, it's also about responding thoughtfully. When she shares something personal, acknowledge her feelings and offer support. This emotional connection will make her think about you even when you're not around. Empathy can be shown through small gestures too, remembering her important dates, sending a supportive text before her big meeting, or simply being there when she needs someone to talk to. Building suspense and anticipation can make interactions with you more thrilling. Think about the last time you eagerly awaited something. It occupied your thoughts constantly. You can create this effect by planning future activities or subtly hinting at surprises. For example, when texting, you might say, "I have a surprise for you this weekend," without revealing what it is. This keeps her guessing and looking forward to spending time with you. Or when planning dates, hint at unique aspects without giving everything away. Creating suspense makes your presence exciting and unpredictable, which keeps her engaged and constantly thinking about what's next. Take it a step further by incorporating small surprises into your interactions. For example, during a date, you could suddenly suggest a detour to a beautiful lookout point or a hidden gem in the city. This element of surprise keeps the excitement alive and makes your time together memorable. The anticipation you build doesn't always have to be grand. It could be as simple as saying you've planned something special for the next date without revealing what it is, or plan a progressive date. Start with a simple coffee meetup, then suggest a walk in the park. Imagine you and her sharing something special that no one else knows about. This creates a bond that's both deep and personal. Shared secrets are powerful. They build trust and intimacy, making her feel special and connected to you. During one of your conversations, open up about a personal dream, a funny childhood memory, or an interesting fact about yourself that you don't usually share. Say something like, "I haven't told many people this, but this not only makes her feel trusted but also brings you closer together." She'll feel like she knows a side of you that others don't, which keeps you on her mind. For instance, imagine telling her about a secret hobby or a unique experience you had. She'll be intrigued and feel honored that you shared it with her. It's like having an inside joke or a special moment that only the two of you understand. But it doesn't stop there. Encourage her to share something personal too. When she opens up and shares her secrets, it strengthens the bond even further. This mutual exchange of trust creates a deeper connection and makes your relationship feel unique and irreplaceable. Every time she recalls your shared secrets, she'll be reminded of the special connection you both have, making it hard for her to forget you. Want to keep her thinking about you even more? Check out these next videos on your screen and dive deeper into the art of attraction and discover more secrets to becoming unforgettable.